Hi guys, I'm gonna do another Postmates vlog today, and I'm filming on the new Panasonic LX10. When I did it last time, I couldn't figure out how to do the focusing, and the color I think was a little bit off. Some of my face was really red, some of it wasn't. So I kind of toned down my face. So I'm gonna try the setting to see how it works. And just gotta do a lot of test, guys. Because it's a new camera. So yeah, let's get started with my food deliveries today. All right, let's turn on the Postmates app. See if we get some orders right now. It's about 10:03 right now. It doesn't look like it's too busy in Berkeley right now. As you guys can see, when it's busy, you know, it's like kind of like a orangish reddish color, and it doesn't look too busy. Right here, there's Oakland. We're in Berkeley right now. So, yeah. Yesterday was kind of busy. Well, I only did one order yesterday, but it seemed like it was way more busy. You know, there was more red section here. Look, it's kind of busy by Dwight Durant. That's where I did that Cafe Durant video. You know what, guys? I might turn on Uber Eats. Let's do that. I'm going to do two apps at the same time because I don't want to wait for orders. So Uber Eats, where are you? Here we go. Uber driver. Haven't done Uber in a while, guys. Haven't done Uber Eats in a while. How satisfied? Not satisfied at all, but whatever. Oh, I need to verify. Oh, I hate when it does that. Okay, whatever. Smile. Oh my god. Yay, it's me! Okay. We are online on Uber Eats, guys. We're in Berkeley right now. And we are also going to do... Oh, I got an order! Tap to accept. I got an Uber Eats order, guys. 9 minutes away. Where am I going? Los Carros, Taquilla. I think I've been here before. Well, this is in Emeryville. A little bit far, but whatever. I accepted it. So let's go deliver this order, guys. Let's go to Emeryville. Alright, guys. I just completed that order. Oh, I mean, I picked up that order. They got 2 burritos, breakfast burritos right here. And a really big strawberry lemonade. So let's deliver this order, guys. Alright guys, I just delivered to that customer. I was trying to figure out how to get there because it had instructions like, you know, it was an apartment, call this number or be at the doorbell, you know, do this number, blah blah blah, whatever. And this guy is like, he kind of knocks on my window and he says he was a customer. I was like, oh wow, I wasn't expecting him to come out, and he was in a robe, you know. There's nothing under the robe, there was just skin, so I know. So, but he was really nice, and he seemed really nice. But yeah, but that was an easy one. I didn't have to get in my car or nothing. It was super cool and easy. All right, let's try some more orders, guys. All right, guys. As you can see, I made $5.18 for Uber Eats delivery. Took me 10 minutes to get to the restaurant and 10 minutes to get to his place. So, and of course, Uber Eats people, I never received 1 tip from Uber Eats. He probably won't tip, but it would be a miracle if he did. So that's the reason, guys, why I don't do Uber Eats that much, because they don't tip. But I'm still going to leave Uber Eats on. I'm also going to turn on Postmates. So let me do that right now. Postmates is better because most people tip from what I've seen. So I'm going to go ahead and go online. Whoa, they're busy. I am definitely going to turn off Uber Eats right now. Because if they're busy... Oh, I got it. Ew. 17 minutes away, Lafayette? Hell no. Postmates? Yes. I am doing Postmates. Starbucks? Yes. I love Starbucks. 17 minutes away. Are you kidding me? There's no way. I'm done. Okay. Now, to go offline, I'm going to go offline. Screw Uber Eats. Sorry, guys. I got to make my money. I love Starbucks anyway, so where am I going to do? Alright, guys. Let's go to Starbucks. Anybody interested in how you do food deliveries, all you do is push that map right there. It's really cool. It'll tell you how to get to Starbucks. 12 minutes, but that's okay because there's a chance they might tip. Alright, let's go to Starbucks. Alright guys, I just delivered that order to that Starbucks order. I didn't vlog it because I was kind of running late because I didn't know where, I couldn't find the Starbucks, and I realized it was at Target and they were out of order sandwiches. But before I mark this order as delivered, I'm just going to go ahead and text the customer and thank you for delivering for Postmates. Have a great day. This is what I normally do. Let me show you guys what I do. Have a great day. And I like to do a smiley face because I feel like that if you do a smile face, it just, well, not that face, smile face. It just adds something to it. So there it is. As you can see that. And then send it. Sometimes I like to wait a few minutes, not a few minutes, but like a second, like 30 seconds if they will respond. Maybe I'll wait 30 seconds to see if she does respond. But anyways, I didn't vlog that order, guys, because I was just kind of running behind schedule, a little late. I had a little trouble getting to our place. I missed some exits, so. And when I vlog, especially with this camera, it just slows down the vlogging process, the speeding process of getting these orders out. As you can see, it's already 11:30. And another thing with this, guys, another thing with this camera, I have to zoom. I have to figure out. My iPhone, it just zooms right in. It's like, now I have to like go all this stuff and see. Do you see 11:36 a.m.? I'm just chilling today. I'm not really rushing to do a bunch of orders. I just wanted to show you guys. If you guys are interested in Postmates, it's pretty simple. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and go back. I don't think she's going to text, but sometimes I'll wait 30 seconds, not a lot. Then I go back to Postmates right here, and I'll say deliver to customer. And complete drop-off. Look how red it is, guys. It's busy in Berkeley. If you guys are interested and want to know how much money you make for that delivery, you just go here. And delivery earnings. And I made $6.05 on that one. I did have to wait a good 5 or 10 minutes at the Starbucks because they were out of their sandwiches. And about 10 minutes to get there. I mean, it's okay. It could be better. I hope she tips. That'll be better. So right now, yeah, let's go online. It's busy. It's Berkeley. Anything where it's like bright red, I'm right in the middle. It's busy. So I'm definitely going to go online. I know it's super busy. I'll get an order immediately. I bet you I will. So right, I should go right here. That's like real. It's really busy. Yep. Apple Store. Ooh, that's different. Yeah. Wait, I don't know how far it is though. It's not too far. I don't know. Apple Store, guys. That might be good because if people buy Apple products, I might get a bigger tip because Apple products are really expensive. We'll see. Oh, it's only 2.3 miles. Perfect. Oh my god, I've never been to the Apple store.
Starting route to 5656 Bay Street.
Alright guys, I'll see you
Head
later.
east on Prince Street, then turn right onto Martin Luther King Jr.
Alright guys, looks like I'm here. The Apple store is somewhere over here. Now, where to park? Parking, guys, is going to be hard. Hey guys, it looks like I'm picking up a Mac Pro. Let me see if I can focus this for you guys. View 3 item. So yeah, I'm picking up Mac Pro. I don't know what this is, but I know I'm picking up a Mac Pro. So yeah, hopefully it's not going to be too heavy. Let's go. Alright guys, just picked up the Apple product. It was actually just a MacBook Pro. So yeah, we got a little MacBook Pro in here. I think I'm going to deliver it to this, whoever, I think I'll just deliver it to them, and then after this I'm going to have my lunch, guys. I'm kind of getting hungry right now. Alright guys, I just delivered that Mac to that customer. She has a really nice apartment. They even had security. They're like a little person at the desk. And then she's right across from the Lake Merritt. Let me show you guys. Yeah, there's the Lake Merritt right there. Yeah. So yeah. Wouldn't you guys love to live by a lake? That would be so cool. Anyways guys, I think that's been my last order for the day. That was so complicated because it took me like probably 30 minutes to get to her apartment from the Apple store because she lived kind of by the Oakland area. Guys, there were so many cops blocking like 1,000 streets. I just had to churn. I finally got to her place, but it was really difficult. I'm super hungry, I have a headache. And I think I'm gonna go back to Concord to get something to eat. I'm really hungry. Alright guys, I got the tip. I got a $2.19 tip. That's so cheap for this computer. Probably costs like $1,000 or more. And she, you know, I know she's not low on money because she lives in a very fancy apartment right across from Lake Merritt. I mean, come on. The payout was pretty good. $14.77 for all that. I don't know if it's because of all the driving or what, but that's a pretty good payout. The tip is low. I heard some Postmate drivers, when they deliver Apple products, their tips are really good because their products are so expensive, but not happy with the tip, but, you know, sometimes you don't get tips, so. It's my first Apple delivery, guys. So, that took so long to do. Hey guys, the weirdest thing happened. So I came back to Concord and I went to Subway and I wanted to try one of those new wraps. So I filmed a mukbang video with this camera eating the wrap, and about 5 or 10 minutes, no, maybe 10 minutes later, my camera turned off and it says my camera needs to cool down, so it just automatically turned off. And I'm like, what? This is a new camera. I spent like $600, $700 on this camera, and it shouldn't have to. I should be able to film a mukbang video without turning my camera off. But I think I know what happened. I'm not sure. Is maybe I filmed in 4K, and I heard from other cameras if you film in 4K, it gets really hot. So guys, let me know if you ever had an issue with this camera filming in 4K. Does it get really, really hot? I'm thinking it was about 10 minutes and it turned off. But anyways, right. I'm in Concord. I turned on Postmates. I haven't got any orders yet. Postmates is not that busy in Concord. So I think I'm going to go to Starbucks and get a caramel macchiato. That sounds really good. Iced caramel macchiato. Alright guys, I got my caramel iced macchiato. Does that look just amazing? See that? Hello, focus on me. This camera sucks, guys. I think I might want to return it. Or maybe I'll sell it on eBay. This is good. It's really good. Yum.